Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Terrell. I am the CEO and founder of Grillz University and Terrell the Driller LLC. On this channel, we make educational videos teaching entrepreneurs how to start, grills, and jewelry businesses. So this video is a little bit different. We're actually going to be doing a product review on a product called Grillz Case. So this is the product. We've never actually worked with this company before, so your guess is as good as mine. We're going to open it up for the first time. I heard that this product right here is a digital product and it's supposed to protect your grills, disinfect, and help with loss prevention. So it's supposed to be the new era of the grills industry. And I've actually seen quite a few companies actually carrying this case, so there are a few retailers out there. So this is a good product for businesses to sell to their customers and also customers to be able to purchase to be able to protect their grills. So we're gonna dive right in and start getting into the review. As I can see right now, I really do love the packaging. It's very professional, sealed, so no one ever opened it or used it. They have their name on here, very clean. Seems like they also have tips and instructions on the back. Let's see if we can read it. Number 1, charge Grillz Case for at least 2 hours before use. The green light will slowly blink on and off while charging. When the green light stops blinking, the case is fully charged. Okay, so there's some instruction right there. Let's take our razor and let's cut this thing open. This thing is super protected. It even has the little tabs on the side. And people wonder if the grills industry is professional. You see it right here. All right, let's open it up. Okay. So, looks like we have some instructions in here. User manual, grillzcase.com. All right, here's the same instructions that we read. Warranty. So I'm really liking the presentation so far. It's really good. What's this first? This might be a charger. So this is really well put together. Okay, I have a charger. What else? So it's like our carrying strap. Also has their name on it as well. So that's pretty cool. You can see, so it can clip onto something. You need that. So whenever you hook it onto your pants or you put it around your neck, you'll never lose your grills. So I don't know what color I've gotten. It was just a random color. So more wrapping, more protection. Let's see. All right. I'm really liking how clean it is, the quality. I've never seen a product look like this before. Like a Grillz Case is actually digital and automatic and takes a charger. So this is definitely some new era stuff. All right. So this must be the light. Let's open it up. All right. So you can actually see me. This is a mirror. I think the mirror is really cool. This seems to be some type of strap that holds down your grills. I think that's really good. The thing is, I've had cases before, and whenever I put a grill in a case, it would just like jump around like crazy. And say if you have a diamond grill, if you keep jumping around in a case, it's possible that your diamonds can end up falling out. So the fact that this case, and it also has that button in order for you to open it up, that it has this little strap right here to strap it down, is really good. So they actually thought about the people's grills, you know, keeping it safe and protected. So I can see right here that this is where the light or the UV light is. And I'm guessing that's where it helps the sanitization process. Really well put together. Now I have my own grill that I'm actually going to put inside of it to see how it actually works. A pair of plain yellow gold bottoms. Let's get them on. All right, let's see how it works. So I got you slide it under, just like that. And I can actually see that if this was to shake around, it would not move. And I'm actually doing this really hard. So I actually like that. So if it falls or anything like that, it shouldn't have came out. Let's see. All right. Now we did not charge it up. It said that you have to charge it for 2 hours. So if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna charge it and then continue with the video. But that's exactly how it looks inside of there. Like I said, this is a good thing in case you have like some stones on your grills to keep it safe. And also just for grills, is like mine, I have permanent style cuts. Whenever it shake around, it can end up bending my grills. So it's actually gonna keep it safe like that. Close it up. Let's see if we can put our strap onto it. So I actually like to probably put it on my hip. It's really nice. So we'll put this through here in the back. All right, so I have the clip connected to it. So basically, it hangs onto your pants just like this. Even if you put it on your keys. So anytime I want to take out my grills, a lot of times I don't eat with my grills in. I could take it out, see if I can put it inside, close it, put it right on my hip. I actually like the design of it. The color, it's really like calm. I probably would go like black or maybe a white color. But to each his own, for which color you like. Now, I want to see how this actually works with disinfecting the grills. Now, one thing I want to tell you about grills, they can be very dirty and have a lot of bacteria and contaminants on the grill. So a lot of times when you go home, you have to clean your grills off. So it seems like without having to go home, you can actually put it inside of your case and clean them off that way and sterilize it. And I believe so by the UV lights at the top of here. That's really a game changer. I can't stand putting my grill down anywhere randomly and then put it in the back of my mouth. I always gotta rinse it off. You need to stop putting your grills in your pocket. The easiest way to bend it, break it, or when you dig in your pocket for your money, you pull it out, it falls, and you never know where it's at. About every customer that I've ever had lost their grills because they didn't have anywhere to put it. So I also noticed that it looks like it have a little clip right here. Let's see. Oh, there you go. And you easily can put it back down. Put it back, twist it, locks in. So I'm actually gonna turn it on and see how the sanitation process actually works. So looking at the instructions, it says press and hold power button for 2 seconds and the indicator light will turn on. So let's do that. 1, 2. All right, here we have it. We have power. All right, so it's supposed to be working. I'm curious to see what it looks like, but I believe it said that it will turn off when you open it up. So right now it's in the sanitation process and it takes 3 minutes. And I'll see what it looks like when it's done. So 3 minutes have finished up and the light went off. So let's see. There you go. So the good thing is, if I ever put this in my pocket or somewhere else and I put it inside of my tray, it sanitizes my grills and I can put them right back into my mouth. So I really think this is a cool product. So I'm gonna give this product an A rating because of the construction of how they actually made this. It's something definitely new. It's really great for technology. I think this is an accessory that's really gonna help people a lot. I believe people need to care more about their hygiene, and this will really help with that situation. Definitely with COVID going around, but you know, we need to start disinfecting more. And the good thing is about this, even with the business owners, you can also sell this to your customers along with their grills. You can keep their grill safe and they can protect it and they keep it from losing it. And another thing that I like about this product is that what it's gonna do for the grills industry. Like, this is a new era type of product right here. I feel like it's going more in a professional direction, and we actually need that because grills are widely used now. Everyone's getting grills, so now it's time for it to actually be on a more professional level than it used to be back in the day. This product is definitely dope. If you're a business owner, I believe this product would be great for you because you'll be able to upsell it to your customers, so you'll be able to actually make more money. So it shouldn't be a hard item to resell. So the price for this product, try it out for the first time. You know, you just never know if you like it or not. I think you will. So if you're interested in purchasing a product, all you have to do is visit my website at grillzuniversity.com. So make sure you guys get with it, because they're not going to be accepting a lot of applications soon. So when you get one, I want y'all to comment back on this video and tell me your experience. So happy keeping your grill safe. Until next time.